What is going on YouTube? Hated back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys remember, in yesterday's episode, we were talking about the fact that it is starting the correction to the upside, or the reversal to the upside, after tons of consolidation on the market here. As you guys can see from 2 days ago, I made a video basically saying that we were about to burst and that the market was going to start to swing up. And if we go back a couple of days from then, we were pretty much tracking when the breakout was going to be. We noticed that it's almost time. Then we noticed why we were having this problem of delaying the markets here. Then we noticed also the fact that we were seeing sort of the third kind of descending triangle form on XRP specifically here. We were trying to find the timeline of when the breakout was. We knew we were going to break out, or I just didn't know when that breakout was going to take place, as most of the other kind of descending flags you can see here on XRP have for the most part been about a total of 60 days, if not between 45 and 60 days. The first one lasted 60 days. The second one lasted a total of 49 days. And the current one that we're dealing with was only at about 29 to 28 days. So it was about half the time that we were seeing the consolidation take place, which is why I figured, oh, well, maybe we'll just delay and extend the breakout to be another couple days later. So I posted that video saying that I was wrong. Maybe we're not going to break out. Then I changed my mind and said, hey, it looks like we're actually starting to see some movement here, so maybe I was right. And then, as you can see, and the two videos ago, and then yesterday, we pretty much confirmed that the breakout was actually taking place, which was very surprising across the board here, but it is something that we have to deep dive and look at. So as you guys can see today, we have confirmed a break above here. You can see on Ethereum, we are also long, where we have broken above a major price ceiling, and we are now in the markets for a long to the upside here. And we have Bitcoin, which we definitely need to change here. I'm noticing a new pattern forming on Bitcoin, where we just have to tweak the current pattern that we've drawn on here to kind of better fit our needs. And then we'll be wrapping it up with the S&P 500, which is just pumping to the upside here. As you guys know, today's July 3rd, which means tomorrow is July 4th, and the stock market will be closed, which means we might not see much movement on the S&P 500, and we might not see much movement on the major cryptocurrencies. So keep your eyes peeled on the market and the stock market here. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, markets are currently 1.21 trillion, up 0.76% today. But what's interesting is, for the most part, we've been pretty stagnant across the board, slowly starting to see movement to the upside, but at least it is to the upside. Bitcoin's not really doing much movement. A lot of these cryptos really aren't doing much movement. We're only up 0.76. You can see the flatline movement here on most of the cryptos, but you can also see that we're slowly starting to trend upwards, which is also a good sign, acting indifferent from Bitcoin specifically. It's crazy, but many years ago, what we used to see, maybe you guys can, stay along with me here, or maybe some of you remember, but many years ago when I first started making cryptocurrency videos here, what typically would happen is Bitcoin would move and Ethereum and the other altcoins would fall or stay the same. And vice versa, when altcoins would move, we'd see Bitcoin stay the same or fall. So it was a direct correlation of opposite movements here. And now we're starting to see the opposite. We saw some sort of correlation with the stock market. Now we're kind of just doing our own thing again, which is fine, but just something I'm noticing. But focusing on XRP. So this is where I've been talking about, we've been waiting patiently for a breakout to come. And I believe that that breakout has indeed come, and we are starting to see much move. We're going to start to see movement to the upside here. So as you guys can clearly tell, the first breakout we had here, the first descending fractal here, descending flag, broke us up right here at this resistance, and we exploded to the upside incredibly high, incredibly fast. And you can see basically the perfect buy-in was when we broke through this downtrend, this price floor. We bought in and we leveraged to the upside here. Now moving forward, the second descending flag that was forming here, you can see clear as day. We had an uptrend. Consolidation to the downside here. Confirmed breakout above this price ceiling, the yellow band right here. That was the opportunity to get in, and since then we shot up. Now we have the third one, which was interesting. Not only did we have an uptrend forming into a downtrend, we figured, oh, maybe we'll fill in the gap here, fill in the longer downtrend here. But we noticed here, not only do we have a blue uptrend here, a price floor, the moving average. There was a lot of support holding, putting a lot of pressure on XRP to do bullish movements. Now, we started to see a little bit of uncertainty a couple of days ago when we started to trade below here. When we started to see these wicks below our support, we were getting a little iffy on the general direction of movement we could see XRP and these other cryptocurrencies move to. Fortunately, we broke up, surprisingly. And you can see here, the second we saw confirmation close us, and yesterday was the perfect opportunity to buy in. So I am now officially in a trade on XRP because we confirmed closure above resistances that I was no longer expecting to see happen here. But because we confirmed a breakout above this price ceiling right here, because we broke above the yellow band, we confirmed closure on the daily. It's been many weeks since June 9th. Trading, getting rejected here. We finally broke through this price ceiling with a confirmed candle, not only closed above the yellow band, we closed above the price ceiling in green here, closing at 48 cents, which is confirming the opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. To me, this is all I needed to see. So I have already bought in with the expectation of seeing specifically XRP swing to the upside here and continuing what I believe is going to be the third bullish breakout. We're going to see a rally like this, a rally like this. We're going to expect to see that happen right here. Now, obviously, we are going to be doing and have been doing and did buy in to this trade on Bidfide, which is, in my opinion, the number one cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Not only have they been throwing giveaways with me, which is super cool, but they offer Bitcoin, they offer Ethereum, they offer XRP, which not many exchanges do. You can see right here, we have an XRP trade open where you can start to trade on derivatives, which is super cool. Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, Atom, all the major cryptocurrencies, as well as smaller cryptos like Shiba, so on and so forth, are offered on Bidfide, which is incredible if you ask me. Not only can you buy long and sell short, you can leverage trade, you can take profits, you can create stop losses, you can short it, you can long it, you have the amount of leverage. It is absolutely incredible the opportunities that Bidfide offer. I've been using them for over 2.5 years now with no problems whatsoever. If one did come up, I was able to reach out to customer support. They answered all my questions. Another really unique feature, which I like about them more than other exchanges, is they offer a demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to literally test your skills completely free. So not only do you sign up to the platform free, you can trade around risk-free by using a demo account. You literally have no excuse not to be trading like this. If you trade cryptocurrency or want to, use the demo account. Yes, obviously you don't make real profits, but you can test your skills and see if that was even an option for you, if those are even in the cards on the table. If you're making 10, 5, 8, 20 profitable trades using the demo account, or if you wanted to test the trades I'm talking about here, use the demo account to test your skills. And then when you're ready, if you want to, if ever, you can then switch to the real cryptocurrency trading account, which is the live account right here. But you can test your skills on this. The trade that we just talked about, which just confirmed closure literally last night, was the opportunity to buy in long. And it's probably still you probably still have time to be getting in. I think you have time to be getting in on an XRP trade right now this morning to leverage to the upside here. Ethereum, we've already bought in on the 30th here. You can see it's been 3 days since, so we're starting to see a profitable movement to the upside. We've been patiently waiting on Bitcoin, but I strongly recommend using Bidfide here. The best part is they offer a welcome rewards offer of up to $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below and completing some of these basic easy tasks here. And then they have the advanced task here, which is also super cool. Make sure to check it out. Link is down in the description below. Make sure to claim your rewards down below. Now, moving forward from XRP, looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin, as I've said before, we've confirmed the bullish descending flag here. You can see the beautiful run. The correction, the Elliott impulse wave, we've broken up, corrected right here. And once we confirmed breakout above this resistance, this price ceiling, that was when we bought in long. And I expect to see a full recovery back up to price ceiling. And then as for Bitcoin, things get a little wonky here. We had a 4-hour symmetrical triangle drawn. We definitely have to tweak it now because I think it's going to be a little bit more extended. And this just comes with the territory when trading on the 4-hour charts here. You can see, let's move that. Let's move that. Boom, just like this. Now you guys can see the beautiful symmetrical triangle. Oops, not what I want to do. The beautiful symmetrical triangle that's still taking its sweet butt. But you can see here, maybe I can even move it more like this. This might be a little bit more accurate, but I think we'll leave it like this just to keep this a little more in line. But keep your eyes peeled on this Bitcoin 4-hour trade. Obviously, if you want to do a 4-hour trade, it's up to you. Extremely aggressive. not really something I recommend, but if you like to be aggressive in your trades, then make sure to check out the 4-hour Bitcoin symmetrical triangle forming. Lastly, waiting for the S&P to open at price ceiling. I just need this market to pull down. I really want the markets to pull down here, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled on this because we are due to be correcting to the downside here. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn up those notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.